Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about in terminal illness, care to provide painless shortening of life is termed as palliative care. In the terminal illness, care is provided in that is palliative care. Next. In terminal illness like cancers, we give medications in order to decrease the pain. So that is palliative care. Whereas passive euthanasia is killing the patient, or it's not killing actually. Passive euthanasia is mercy killing. That is, euthanasia is mercy killing. In passive euthanasia, we remove the life support systems and thus the patient dies because of lack of life support systems. Or in passive euthanasia, in active euthanasia, a drug is administered to the patient in order to die. That is active euthanasia. Physician assisted suicide is legal in certain parts of United States. Thank you and thank you for watching.